Hey guys, welcome back to Oyoyindoke's kitchen. Today is day 9 of our Vlogmas, and I want to thank all of you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for the comment, the like and the share. I do appreciate each and every one of you. So today I'm bringing to each and every one of us goat meat pepper soup. Goat meat pepper soup is a sure recipe during Christmas. So I'm gonna get you to the ingredients, and I do thank you for watching. For our goat meat pepper soup, I'll be using all these ingredients for delicious pepper soup. I have scent leaves. We are going to use dry scent leaves here. And I do have calabash as well, or calabash seed, what we call efulu in Igbo. That's going to help, enhance the flavor we are looking for. And I'll be adding some crayfish as well, just a little bit of crayfish, and our pepper soup seasoning over here. And I'll be adding all these flavorful peppers as well. So guys, stay tuned to find out how we make this delicious pepper soup. And I do thank you for watching. Now, I forgot to mention I'll be adding some onions. So this is half bowl of onions. So I'm going to give it a thorough blend for our delicious pepper soup. Alright guys, what I have here is the calabash pepper or calabash seed, the efulu. So I'm giving it a roast now. And what it does is that it enhances the flavor when you roast it, and so roasting it helps to enhance the flavor and at the same time makes it easier for you to peel. You can roast it for 2 to 3 minutes, then peel off the shell and then grind. I just discovered an easier way to crack the calabash seed. So what I did here was to use my garlic squasher to press it as hard as you can, and it will be easier for you to open. Please pardon me about my video today. It was actually shot by my 7-year-old. Tell her in the comment section that she did amazing. Thank you guys. And it becomes easier for you to peel. So it makes it, this is the easiest I've done this. I usually dread opening this. Voila! See, all done. The next thing is for us to grind the efulu seed. So I'll be getting them into my grinder and give it a thorough grind. So guys, we are ready to make our goat meat pepper soup, and I guess by now most of you know I like to cook with my pressure pot. It makes it easier for me, especially when you have a lot going on in your life. You don't have to spend so much time in the kitchen. My goat meat has been cut to desired size. This is actually the size I wanted. This, yeah, and it has been completely washed. So next I'll be getting it into the pressure pot. So guys, my goat meat is now in the pot. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I'm going to add the pepper mix and the onions and the crayfish. Yeah, everything will be blended. And remember the efulu, I had to add a little of crayfish so that I can grind very well. A pinch of salt. And I'll be adding my pepper soup mix. The next thing will be bouillon cube, and I'll be adding 2 of it. The second one, and I'll be adding the scent leaves. I have dry scent leaves. We rarely get fresh ones here, so make do of what you have. Then you're going to give a thorough stir to mix. I usually advise make sure you have a little taste to know if you need to add more, because once you cover to cook, you're not gonna open it until it's done. Perfect. So guys, the next thing will be to lock my pot, and I'll be cooking this for 16 minutes. So guys, you can see my pot is done. It's actually beginning to now go negative. It's fully cooked at this time. So what I'm going to do is turn off the pressure pot. and I'm going to allow it to cool down before I open it up, okay? So guys, you can see our goat meat is well cooked. Very tender, and it tastes amazing. So I'll be dishing out some as well. And I know you'll be wondering how I got a lot of water. The pressure pot kind of helps retain the water because it helps the meat to produce its own water. Just look at. Please tell me, is there ever going to be a Christmas without goat meat pepper soup? So this is an addition to your Christmas menu, and I tell you, there is never a fail with goat meat pepper soup. Very, very delicious and very tender. So guys, thank you for watching my video today. Don't forget to add this to your Christmas recipe. Like I said before, there is never a Christmas without goat meat. Even if you don't make it in your home, go to your cousin's place, your auntie's place, uncle's place, and someone must definitely make goat meat during Christmas. So I'm going to plate it, and I do thank you guys for watching.